Hello kids and welcome back. We are looking in the motion commands that we are going to give to our robot. So let's see another instruction. After going to mouse pointer that we were using last time, we are going to use this one, go to X and Y position. So you can see X position is minus 165 and Y is minus 131. Till it is here, we can change these positions and it is going to the position that is showing here, it is the same position showing here. So if I am going to do it 0 and 0, it is going to be in the center of the stage and it shows here go to 0 0 x 0 and y 0. And when I'm going to bring it here, if I'm going to change these ones, I can change it from here as well. It is not going to change. So till it is here, it is changing the position as we require. Okay. So if you want to preset this one to some specific position, you have to set your position before bringing this one in your programming area. Okay. So we got it. Go to x0 y0. All right. So wherever I'm going to move it, when I'm going to click it, it is coming to the center of the stage. That is the x and y position. We are going to learn about that in detail. For now, just understand these are the positions where my robot is in the stage. Okay. So whenever I'm going to click it, it is going in the center of the stage. So if I am going to move this one away from here and putting it here, so by the end of the game, it is always going back to, instead of random position, to the center of the stage. So first it is going to follow where the mouse is, then going back to the center of the stage. That is very good. When you want to start a game, your robot should be at some certain point when it is starting the game. Okay, so I am going to try this one again and move my mouse in this stage. Okay, turning, moving, following my mouse, then going back to center of the stage, turning, moving 10 steps, turning back, going to mouse pointer, and then going in the center of the stage. But if I want to move it here, let's say it's a racing game and this is the starting point, you can see, and this is the start, middle of the stage, but the start of the stage. So if I want to change it in real time, I can just copy the position from here, Control C, or right with Control C, and I am going to write here Control V. That is the same situation that I copied from here. From my keyboard, I used Control C for copying and Control V for pasting. So whenever the game is ending, it is going back to this start position. So that's how we can always bring our robot, sprite, or character we are using in our game. For here, we are using the word robots too much because this is about robotics. So this is how, when we want to start a game and we want to bring back to some certain point, a start point or a finish point, that's how we place it with go to X and Y position. Bye bye now. See you in the next module.